Okay, guys, the highlight video from Wednesday in our stock trading chat room there at greatstockpicks.com. Just going to show you a couple highlights from today because we did have some trades, literally based on 2-minute candles that we got like maybe 15 cents or 30 cents, and it came back to the entry and stopped out. So not going to go into the flat trades today, and we didn't call that many. But two of them were just really, really nice. Expedia is one. You can see Expedia breaks out today on big volume, going to 5-minute candles. I mean, I didn't want to chase it up here, so when it started flagging like this, we took a couple small trades in it, back to even or small stop out, small gains, depending on how you traded it. And then I went ahead and finally made a final call at 44.85. I just didn't want to let go of this one because I loved the strength. Okay, Expedia did this in a weak market. Let me show you the SPY real quick. Look at the SPY. Now the SPY, beautiful finish by the way, but the market was doing this while Expedia was doing this. So this is why I just couldn't take it off my radar. And my final call on it was a long at 44.85, stop 19 cents below. That did not stop out. So the entry was somewhere around here, stop right down here. And from 44.85, you see, it ends up going to 46.07. $1.22 in our favor on 19 cents risk. And then in the middle of the day, didn't even have TCK on watch. Okay, TCK just makes this huge move. A lot of stocks did. Okay, but using a method we teach in our chat, this caught our attention when it got up to 30, and then I started watching this pullback, and it was kind of cool because I had the projector on, okay, on TCK, and when it was looking like this, I think a lot of people think, hey, this is overdone, time to short it. I was thinking long here for reasons that I explained to our members in chat, but basically super strong stocks that move crazy, right? 28.80 to 30, $1.20 move over whatever this was, an hour or so. It's not really that prudent to start shorting it after it sells off for a little bit. It came down to what I call the buy zone between the 520 and the 5.8, 5-minute candles, 20-period moving average, and the 8-period moving average. This area on a strong stock is an area to really put on your radar for a nice entry, okay, to go long again. What I did was, because it was in this buy zone, I would rather than take 5-minute candles, I would rather switch to a lower time frame. So I literally was projecting this live. This was on all of our members' screens here. Everybody watching this. I was using 2-minute candles. I said over this candle here, 29.68, with a stop below this candle, 29.61. 7 cents risk. There's the long entry. Look at this. Never comes back to the entry. Never makes anybody worry about it. And it's off to the races. And ends up moving $1.19 a share on 7 cents risk. So a really nice way to play a super strong stock, guys. Rather than try to fight the tape and try to short this, look for that buy zone between the 5.8 right here, between the 5.8 and the 5.20. Go to a lower term time frame if you can, like 2s. Look for the stair steps. Everything fell into place on this one, and a beautiful entry, beautiful move. And I'm going to leave it at that. Very short video today. Pretty impressive reversal in the SPY. I'll talk about the SPY real quick. You go to the daily here. Pretty nice double bottom around 130. It's held 130 pretty nice. And really nice bounce here. Looked like it was rolling over today because it opened here and headed back down. And at one point this looked really ugly. Well, now it looks pretty strong to the upside. A double bottom there. Keep in mind, with Europe, anything can happen. So I'm only long one stock right now overnight, but that's because I don't like overnights. So we'll see what happens. But pretty impressive reversal in the SPY today. And some pretty nice low-risk entries in our chat room. Have a good night, and we'll talk to you guys later.